Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Aurora with the Florida Coastal team, and today I'm giving you an inside look at this gorgeous move-in ready home right here in Palm Coast. Right now we're in Colbert Landings, just minutes from the beach, and I cannot wait to show you around. This is the Daphne Floorplan, an open concept single-story home offering 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a spacious 2-car garage with just under 1,700 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. Right when you step inside, you'll notice the flex room at the front of the home. This space is perfect for an at-home office, study, or even a hobby room. Truly customizable for your lifestyle. The heart of the home is the open living, dining, and kitchen area. With its bright, airy layout, this space is designed for entertaining or just relaxing with family. And because this is a move-in ready home, you'll enjoy designer curated finishes that were hand selected by professional design experts. So you don't have to stress over picking colors or materials. Now let's talk about convenience. This home comes complete with a full suite of Whirlpool appliances. Yes, refrigerator, range oven, microwave, dishwasher, washer, and dryer, all included. It even comes with blinds already installed throughout, so you can move in and settle down immediately without those extra costs. One of my favorite things about Meritage Homes is their commitment to energy efficiency. Behind the walls, you'll find features like spray foam insulation and advanced mechanical systems that provide real comfort, better air quality, and lower utility bills. It's peace of mind built right in. And let's not forget about the community. Colbert Landings is in a prime location in Palm Coast. Less than 3 miles from Flagler Beach, that means a short bike ride from the ocean, waterfront dining, and some of the best coastal living Florida has to offer. Inside the community, you'll also enjoy a pool, cabana, pickleball courts, and easy access to Palm Coast trails. This Daphne home is located at 68 Tequesta Court, Palm Coast, Florida. Is now available at the price of $361,990. With quick closing timelines, you can be calling this your home sooner than you think. If you're dreaming about a fresh start in a brand new, energy efficient home, this could be the perfect fit. So, what do you think? Could this be your dream? If you'd like a private tour of this home or others in Colbert Landings, give me a call. I'd love to help make Palm Coast your new home.